Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I just want to go ahead and jump right into it, but I got this camera right here. To be honest, I've been wanting one for a long time because I really don't trust the drivers around here, and I've been in an accident before where thankfully the guy said, hey, it was my fault, but you never know in this situation. So I got this Garmin here, and it came with a 16 gigabyte micro USB, so I went ahead and grabbed me a 32. You know, just in case I need it or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna go and open it up. All right, guys, so this is a little 47 model. There's 47, 57, and like a 67W or something like that. But this was actually one of the cheaper options you hear online that for the 67W, it's basically $100 more just for 40 more degrees of angle. So I honestly don't think it's that big of a deal to me. So I'm just went ahead and grabbed the 47. I just want something in case I ever need it. I doubt I would need the 40 more degrees to prove anything in an accident. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of unboxing here, show what they give you, and then we'll go install. So it starts out, open her up. Oh, okay. Nice little camera action. Oh, all right. Guess it gives you a magnet if you want to stick it on something. So yeah, here it is. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy. A big reason I picked this one because of how small it was. I don't want a huge, just eyesore of a camera sitting on the inside of my truck whenever I'm driving on the road. So this was kind of a big reason I bought it. And it's Garmin, so it's pretty name brand. I trust them, and I saw it has like some app compatibility, so hopefully that will go smooth. So you can, I think you can plug it into either your OBD2 port or this cigarette lighter thing. Cords here, so I guess this is like a shorter version. They're the exact same connectors, so I guess this is just a shorter version of this guy. Yeah, hopefully this will be enough to reach the cigarette lighter, whatever it needs to be. We'll figure it out. We'll snake it and all that good stuff. Then they give you a little instruction manual here, you know. Okay, so instructions, nothing too crazy, I guess. Oh, it's 13 feet, wow. This is really 13 feet? This does not seem like 13 feet. But hey, I gotta believe it because I'm looking right at it. Oh yeah, I guess this is the getting everything ready. So let's go ahead and go outside, get this thing ready, and put her in. Hey guys, just a quick pause here in the video. Pretty ironically, my truck actually got broken into a couple days before installing the dash cam. So I'm going to put a few clips up of, you can see the aftermath of what these guys did to my truck, where they busted my window, where all the glass is inside on the floor, on the seat, all over the ground, and then where they actually took my window with the tent still attached to it, ripped it out, and put it down behind the truck. And then I'll show you here a clip of them actually walking up to my truck, and we believe they put gasoline on it, lit it, and it somehow shattered the glass. I don't know how that happens. If you're an expert, if you're a chemist, let me know in the comments. But yeah, it busted it pretty quickly, and then you can see them pulling it out. They take the glass, they set it down, one crawls in and takes a couple of things, and you know, then they run. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up where I'm getting my window fixed. All right guys, we just got back from putting in a new window here. And yeah, we're fishbowling hard right now. Yeah, this is how much it done run me. Yeah, not a good day. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna get this. We'll get this figured out. I gotta get this freaking window retinted again. I actually do want to go darker, so I guess this is my sign to go darker. So make sure you guys lock your doors, and please get dash cams or security cameras, because yeah, that's $500. You know. So, all right, y'all. So it has been a couple days, and you've probably seen about this whole situation over here. Which actually, I'm going today at what, 2:30, to go get that to look like this. So we're doing this business. Yeah, we'll use this 13-footer. That does not look like 13 feet, but I mean, that's crazy. See, I'm gonna go ahead and get up on this, and then catch up with you in a second. All right, so far, what I've done is, so I'm not putting it on there just yet because I'm gonna go get everything retinted. I'm even getting this because it's starting to bubble and peel up some, so that sucks. But yeah, we're gonna redo that. So I'm not gonna put the camera up just yet, but I'm gonna put it around like right here-ish, and then here's the plug. So it'll come down, grab into it. I can tuck any excess I want up there. Basically, I have it going all the way. So it follows that. It comes around and gets up under there. And then I have it following the seam all the way down. You can probably just barely see that cord in there. But then yeah, it follows down. As you can see it right here. I got it snaking down, snaking down, snaking down. It comes around. I was gonna put it underneath here and just have it go straight across. However, I had a lot of slack and I could stuff it in there, but I didn't want to zip tie anything in case I ever need to take it out, just like, whenever I want to. So I have it coming down and it actually goes up behind the carpet, which I'll definitely tuck in a bit better. But yeah, it goes behind the carpet, keeps going, goes up under here. You can see it right there. Comes on around, snaked. Probably see it in there, goes up there. And then I got some of these pry tools because they really help out. And I just took it and just pushed it in all the way over here. So yeah, it's all tucked in behind there and it, boom, comes out. Looks perfect, looks super clean. No dangly wires, you can't even tell that that's there. So I love how I can just put it right next to my phone charger, all that good stuff. So yeah, it's pretty great. And yeah, that's it. So I'll get back with you whenever I actually get this thing installed and actually we'll have some new tent. So see you then. Alrighty guys, now we're finally back after getting this tent done, which looks amazing by the way. Look at that, ooh, sun. We're back. Actually, I think this brow's a bit darker than the other one I got before. But yeah, it's all drying. We're finally all tented back up here, which is good. Now we can finally get back to installing this guy. I'm gonna go ahead and get some window cleaner and clean up here because you can tell it's kind of smudgy. I'm not gonna touch the tent, but I'm gonna clean it up over there. Oh yeah, and they took my cross down, man. I was like, why'd y'all do that? But anyways, yeah, we'll go ahead and get this guy installed, plugged in, and then see if we can get some footage on it, And I got that 32 gigabyte micro SD chip installed already, so that's all good to go. All right, guys, we got the dash cam installed now. I haven't done anything with the wiring just yet, but I wanted to just give you a little clip here. Got her all mounted up. Doesn't look too shabby for quality-wise. I'll go ahead and I'll show you a clip here of what it looks like on my phone. So this is kind of like my point of view, and there's the camera. So it's really not in any obvious spot. It's not down here, it's not over here. So I kind of got it tucked away over there. But I can also see it. If you go outside and look at it, it actually looks pretty slick in there. Boom. So not too bad at all, huh? Kind of hard to see from the camera's view, but hopefully help me out here. Had more break-ins and all that good stuff. So I'll go ahead and hide this wire. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it across the side and just stick it up in there so it'll be nice and pretty and all that good stuff. I'll go ahead and actually throw some footage up here of me driving to see kind of how the quality is, how it goes and all that good stuff. So I'll go ahead and put that in here now. All right, so right now I'm actually looking at it live on my phone as well. You can see, I mean, this was a decently expensive camera, I would say, and the quality looks like a GoPro 2. But honestly, it might be because of maybe just the lighting or something like that. You can fix it, with the exposure and whatnot, but it doesn't seem too bad right now. Obviously, whenever I save this video and run it back, I'll be able to listen in with you. But I also got a thing on it where it says it'll record 10 seconds before an incident automatically. So that setting's on there. But it says it's running 1080p at 30 frames per second HDR, which I mean is not really anything high tech nowadays. So maybe the camera's a little bit outdated, but I mean software wise and the app compatibility is pretty good. I can live view it whenever I want type deal, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, I'd say the only critique I have is honestly just the quality. I like how it has the date, time, and speed and all that good stuff. And this is the 47. I think this is the lowest camera that they come with. So you can definitely go higher. They got like a 57 and a 67W, which is like, you know, almost $300. If you deem that worthy enough from what you're seeing right now, go ahead, be my guest. This is why I do this, so you guys can learn from me, because I'm the one that dropped 200 bucks on this, you know. So if you ever want to get a better one, y'all go ahead and do your thing.
Duffy 21, I think he might have held Chase, but kept him from going inside interception. He's amazing. You can't possibly be anybody better.
Pass interference. Defense number 21. Ball pushes on the ground. Automatic first down.
Sparing you the indignity. Burrow is just 25 years old. He's won a national championship. He's won a Heisman. Got drafted #1. He's appeared in a Super Bowl. He is right now. He's on that list.
Foul. Roughing the passer. Defense number 90. 15-yard penalty. Automatic first down.
Second big penalty on the Chiefs defense. First you had the call.
It didn't look like it, though, in real time. It looked like he hit him right when he was throwing it. Maybe something happened after.
If you can avoid
It looked like
the full fall on him.
you can't do the extra drive him into the ground, right? Like, go extra harder. But it looked like the momentum was just happening normal there. I think that was probably a poor call on that one. But
But alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thanks for sticking around and seeing how I got broken into, which sucks. First time, you know, is what it is. I'm actually gonna definitely switch from liability, which is why I had to cover the bill, to full coverage. So yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah, as always guys, again, thanks for sticking around. I got some big changes coming up, so please stay tuned. And as always, like, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. It is your choice. And I'm gonna go put some Legos together because the birthday was not too long ago. Then someone got me some Legos. And I'll see you later. Peace out, guys.